Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. I post beauty and art related content here on YouTube if you're into that sort of thing, plus unusual stream of conscious ramblings. Then please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss any time I upload. I would love to have you join my little community. Please comment down below, leave a like or a dislike depending on how you feel, and I would love to connect with you. Today I am going to be playing with one single eyeshadow shade. I am feeling orange, so I picked out the orange shade called Hippie from my BH Festival palette. Looks like this. I'm going to have a big compilation of different kinds of looks with one single shadow, just to give you some inspiration about how to use your shadows, and to give me some inspiration, and to just play around with different eye shapes and different kinds of placement that I wouldn't normally do. I'm looking forward to the different kinds of looks that I could create. You might notice that I have a different background today. I'm kind of playing with my setup in my room. I have more natural lighting when I set up here, so I'm hoping that you'll be able to see a little bit more. If you'd like to know what's on my face, I will link it in the description box down below. And let's get into it. Ho, ho, ho. Ha, ha, ha. Hee, hee, hee. The first look I'm going to do is a very simple pop of color in the inner corner. Here is the simple inner corner shadow look with some mascara. What I like about this look is that you can kind of play it up or play it down, put a teensy bit of color or a lot. I went for a lot. But it's really fun and really simple and can make a statement really easily. Okay, the next eyeshadow placement I will be trying out is just a blended out line under the brow. So let's give it a go. Look number 2 is done. It's very simple. It's a line. Yep, I applied a line following the natural shape of my brows, trying to make them symmetrical, but whatever, you know, doesn't have to be perfect. I like this look. I think this is really fun. I actually wish I kept the shadow on the inner corner for this look, because I think that would look really well together, the pop of color here and along the brow bone. This is it. Now I'm going to quickly turn this little line into, I don't even know what you call it, just like a connected graphic liner. So I'm going to bring it down to the corner of my eye. Okay, that was super simple. Now I'm done with the third look, and I have actually not done a graphic liner in this shape, even though it's super popular. But doing it this way was so simple. So based on this one experience I've had, I would definitely recommend doing the liner underneath your eyebrow first and then just attaching it at the end. It was so simple. It's very easy. Now I'm going to take what I've already got going on my eyes and actually create a rectangular shaped shadow look. I've seen some of these on Instagram and I think they're super cool, so I want to see what it looks like. I need to remove some of this shadow. Forgot to do that. I'm getting so hungry, I think my brain is starting to fail on me. I need some brain food. Lunchtime. I don't know exactly if my camera is at the correct angle to capture this. Maybe I'll stand up. I think it's looking so cool. I feel really cool. I feel like I could walk the runway. I feel like I could walk the runway right now, but like, dang girl. That's fun. That's a fun look. My face is just kind of asymmetrical though and kind of like droopy. So it's a little hard to make it look super straight, but it's great practice and it's a lot easier than I imagined. Okay, I think we're on like look number 4 or something, but this is so fun. Definitely not like your standard everyday wear look, but like, goodness, this is cool. I love it. I think it's really awesome. I hope I can get a decent enough angle where you can see the rectangular shape. I've never looked better. Alright, for this look, I'm going to do a wing with the powder, and then I'm also going to put a little pop on the inner portion of the crease. Alright, I'm about to give myself an aneurysm by trying to make these match perfectly. So, where they're at right now is perfectly fine. I'm going to take off the tape, which will be a huge relief. This time I used smaller bits of tape and took off some of the stickiness with my dirty makeup-y fingers, which helped a lot. Okay. It's alright, it's alright. I think it's pretty cute. I like that it has, I like the placement of this. This is fun. I'm gonna clean up this little wing because it had some problems. Okay. I'm going to also throw on an orange liner in my waterline. I'm gonna spruce up my mascara. I'll add some on the bottom too. I need to call it a day and stop fussing. So this is the final look, the 5th one. Wow, counting. Woo! Anyway, actually, no, what am I doing anymore? God only knows. I really should have stopped filming because it's gonna take forever to upload. Dang it. Anyway, here's the look. That is it for me today. Before I show you a quick little montage of all the looks back to back, I just wanted to say thank you for swinging by my channel and for watching this video. I really appreciate you being here and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye! I'm gonna have a big something. I don't want to say montage. I'm gonna have a big compilation. I'm gonna have a big slow down. I'm gonna sneeze. Ugh.